Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video which is about how to verify your payment method if it is required on your iPhone or iPad while purchasing or downloading apps from your app store. So guys, here I will show you how can you easily verify your payment method on your iPhone or iPad. So guys, first of all, open your settings on your iPhone or iPad, and from here tap on your profile, and from here tap on your payment and shipping. So guys, wait for some seconds. So guys, give here your Apple ID password, and tap on sign in. So guys, wait for some seconds again. So guys, from here you will have to verify your payment method for your Apple ID, and before going further you will have to make it sure that your debit or credit card is not expired. So guys, after this, give here your card number, and after this enter the expiry date for your debit or credit card, and from here you will have to enter your security code for your debit or credit card, which is written on the back side of your debit or credit card. So guys, after this add your billing address. So guys, give here your first name and then your second name, and from here you will have to add your street name and street number, and after this add your city, and after this add your postcode for your city. So guys, make it sure that you have entered the correct postcode for your city, and after this you will have to add your country or region according to your debit or credit card. So guys, you will have to simply add your country or region according to your debit or credit card, and after this you will have to enter your phone number which is connected to your Apple ID or your debit or credit card. So guys, after this you will have to simply tap on done, and after this your payment method will be verified on your iPhone or iPad. So guys, this is the way to verify payment information or payment method on your iPhone or iPad. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.